Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to easily design a professional diary for your dropshipping business or merchandise or for yourself. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to the print products, and here go to the stationery tab. And here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the diary on the left side on the bottom. And when you tap on it, Canva is going to generate for you a design page, which already has the exact ratio, size, and quality that you need for a diary cover. And from here, you can upload your own images, you can add elements, you can add text boxes to it, or you can use images from the Canva library, which has thousands of beautiful images that are all copyright free, so you can use these even for commercial work. And then go to templates, and with these templates that Canva has that are all created by professional designers, you can just go and add one of these templates to your diary design, which is going to have a front and the back design. And then you can go and you can customize it by tapping on it. You can type in your own text. You can add more text if you want. You can grab and change these design elements. You can write anything differently. You can change the color of it. So you can customize it really to the fullest. It's very easy to customize, and you can make it beautiful, but also make it personal, which is a very nice thing if you can do. And it is a lot easier and a lot cheaper than hiring a professional designer, and probably it's going to be a higher quality and more aesthetically pleasing than doing by yourself, or if you are not a designer, I suppose. So this is how you can do it. As I mentioned, you just tap on one of these templates. You can go to the search bar if you have a specific niche that you would like to cover. As you can see, here are travel, restaurants, beauty products, everything. So there are very large amount of topics that they have, but you can search for one of those that you like. And then when you choose some of these templates, go and customize it. You can move the design elements around. You can even ungroup them and then move them around separately, as you can see. You can add your name, your logo to it. So really in customization, the sky is the limit. So you can create something beautiful that is going to sell like crazy. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.